Okay, this problem we're going to end up with we're going to end up adding fractions because it says that Laura bought a can of popcorn. It contained 2/5 of cheese popcorn. Our first fraction will be 2/5. Um, it also contained 3/10. Let me just circle these. So 2/5, then 3/10, and then 1/5. So we're going to add 2/5. We're going to add 3/10 of caramel popcorn and 1/5 of buttered popcorn. 1/5. So we have to add these three because it says how many did she buy all totaled or all together. So our common denominator here is 10. Let me make sure. I'm going to show you why. The multiples of 5, would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We could go on all day, but I'm going to stop there. And the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, and 30. And they have a couple of things in common. They both have a 30, they both have a 20, but they also both have a 10. And we want to use the smallest or easiest common denominator. We call it the lowest. So we don't need those circles right now, but do you see why we're going to use the 10, Northern? It's smaller than the other numbers. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's then let's get rid of that scratch work right now. And our common denominator will want all 10s to be on the bottom. That means to get a 10 for these two fractions, we'll multiply by 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is really 1. This first fraction, the top will be 2 times 2, which is 4. The bottom is 5 times 2, which is 10. Now the second fraction doesn't have to change. 3 over 10 already has the denominator we want. But this third fraction will be 1 times 2 on the numerator and 5 times 2, which is 10, on the denominator. We now have a problem that's way easier to do. Since all of our denominators are 10, that's our common denominator. And we just need to add 4 plus 3 plus 2. What do you get when you add 4 plus 3 plus 2? Wouldn't that be 9? 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So our final answer will be 9 over 10. 9 over 10. There we go. Okay.